This is going to be Parker's first experience riding a snowboard all by herself. And after she's done, we've got some hot chocolate. Got hot chocolate for you, so this is going to be a big thing, Parker. Can you get it straight? All right, we'll get it straight for you. Here we go. Get the board straight. Sit down. Wait till I say go.
Okay.
Put your feet over. Hold on to the board. Put your feet up here.
I am gonna.
There we go. All right, hang on. Let me get down here. Woohoo! All right. Kick your feet up and do it. Here we go. Now scoot your butt. Just scoot. You can do it. Come on. Help her along, Sheena. You got this. You can do it. Parker, come on. If Mommy does it with you, will you do it? Sit down on it, Sheen. Come on. Come on.
Where are you sitting at?
In the middle. Sit in the middle between the strap or between the feet. Yep. And then put her on the front. There you go. There you go. Good job. All right, keep going. Get those feet up. Sheena, get your feet up too.
I gotta straighten it out here. Unless you want me to jump the bait.
That'll work. All right, hold it. Put your feet up on the board. There you go, just like that. Perfect.
Okay.
Hold on to her. Here we go.
It's crooked.
It straightens it out as soon as you start going. Come on. Here we go.
Go, Mama. Yeah, it's not straightening out. There you go.
There you go. You got it. Cooper, get out of the way.
Hold me, Mom.
There we go. Say wee. Good job, Parker. Was that fun? All right. Now you want some hot...
I'll try to do it. I'll try it.
Oh, wait. You're going to do it by yourself now?